To give Brokerment access to additional broker admins and agents, you'll need to create a user. To create a new user, navigate to Users under Settings from our left navigation menu. Here, you'll see a list of the active and former users. Click Create User in the top right-hand corner to bring up the New User pop-up window. The first and last name and email are the only required fields on this first step, but feel free to fill out any of the additional fields available here, such as their role, their phone number, and their team. Please note, there can only be one unique email for each user in Brokerment. So, if a user in the system has previously been added with the same email address, you'll see a message appear at the bottom of the screen saying, "This email address is not available." If you see this message, please reach out to our support team via chat or email at support@brokerment.com if you have any questions or need assistance with this process. You also have the option to include additional fields here and can customize them to fit your business needs. Look for fields located under Settings in the left-hand navigation menu to create additional fields. When you're finished filling out the user's information, click Next to be taken to the Permissions step where you will select the level of access you would like the user to have. There will be a set of default permissions already selected when creating a new user, and these are the recommended permissions for an agent. To learn more about what each individual field does, please visit the Permissions video located within our Brokerment training. Once you're done setting the user's level permissions, click Next to assign any commission plans. Selecting a commission plan is an optional step, but feel free to add as many as you'd like to a user, and if needed, you can edit them at a later time. Once you're finished, click Next to be taken to the last step of creating a user. Here, you'll select whether or not you'd like to send them a welcome email. If you're currently on the Enterprise plan, you will also have the ability to start an onboarding process for this user. You also can mark the radio button for Do Not Notify this user for now if you do not want to send a welcome email at this time. Once you click Create User, you'll be navigated back to the active users list, displaying your new user. If you selected the option to send a welcome email later, you can always do this by clicking the Resend Invitation button located under their name here. Once the user's logged in for the first time, this button will be changed to Reset Password.